So next we'll learn about some common internet terms. Okay, some common internet terms. So what are those? So we'll come across web page. So you'll hear the word web page. So what is a web page? A web page is a document of information available on the internet. So it's there in the internet, some information. It is created using HTML. What does HTML stand for? Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. The information can be in the form of text, illustrations, photographs, animations, movies, sounds, etc. Okay, so web page, when you talk about web page, it's just a document of the information available on the internet. So we create a web page using HTML, okay, Hypertext Markup Language. So later on, I'll be showing you how to create a web page also. Okay. So for the time being, we'll just learn about some basic terms, okay, about what a web page is. Next is the home page. Home page. So when you talk about home page is the first page. So whenever you open a website, so these days you know about websites. You must have opened certain websites. Our school has its own website. Okay, you must have opened the school website. So whenever you open the school website, the first page which you see is called the home page. So every website has a main page, that is the opening page or the first page. It is called the home page. So what is the home page? It is the first web page that opens when you open a website. Okay. So later on, I'll be showing you. I'll go to the website. I'll go to the school website. I'll open the school website. Okay. So next thing you need to learn about is the World Wide Web, www. So you must have seen whenever you open a website, the beginning of the website, you'll see www. Okay, www dot followed by the name of the website. Our school website name is www.saskalimPong.com. Okay, www.saskalimPong.com. So what is World Wide Web? It is the set of all the web pages on the internet. So all the web pages, there are plenty of websites, okay? So all those web pages on the internet make up the World Wide Web, okay? Or we just simply call it the web. So all those pages, our school has plenty of pages, okay? I'll just show you. After this, I'll open the school website. I'll show you what are pages, what is home page, okay? So these web pages together make a web of information that anyone in the world can access. So with the help of all those information there in the website, anyone can access those information. Okay. So next, okay, we'll deal with this after we finish. Next, okay, website. What is a website? Website is a collection of related web pages, is known as a website. So when you open a website, you'll find links. There are plenty of links. When you open the website, first you see the home page. Then there are plenty of other links, buttons. So if you click those buttons, it will take you to another page. So all those pages in the collection of all those pages is it's called a website. So every website has its own identity called its website address. Okay, it's called a website address. Type the website address of a favorite site in any internet browser and the website will open. Okay, we'll soon try this out. Okay, we'll try this out. So before we move on to web browser, let's go to FactByte. The address of a website is called URL. URL. What does URL stand for? Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator. No two websites can have the same URL. Okay. Now, what does it mean is, our school Okay, our school website is saskalangpung.com. Okay, so now if somebody else tries to open, okay, they want the same URL. Okay, they want the same name, saskalangpung.com. So if they want to open a website with the same name, they cannot do that. Okay, we cannot have two websites with the same URL. Now, say for example, you must have seen www.google.com. Okay, if you want to open a website with the same name, www.google.com, you cannot do that. Okay, it's already registered. www.google.com or www.saskalangpung.com is already registered. So no one can have two websites with the same URL. Okay. So all these things we'll do it later on. So these are just simple terms, common terms which we use in the internet. Web browser. Okay, web browser. So what is web browser? A web browser is a special software that helps you to browse the internet. Okay, it is a software through which you can browse the internet. In other words, website open in and work through a web browser. So the websites work through the help of web browser. So some of the popular web browsers are Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and there are plenty of other Opera. So there are various web browsers. Okay. So you can select a home page from your web browser by changing its default settings. Okay. So the most commonly used internet web browsers are Google Chrome, Firefox, and Internet Explorer. So FactBite. Let's go to FactBite. It has something about Google Chrome. So Google Chrome is a web browser. Okay, web browser developed by Google. It was released for Microsoft Windows on September 2nd, 2008. So Google Chrome came into existence in the year 2008. It has been the most widely used web browser since then. There's something you should remember if you have a website. Okay, if you have a website, if you want to open the website, so you need a web browser. If you look at your phone, on your phones, in your computer, laptop, anywhere, you'll find those web browsers. So in the phone, you'll find Google Chrome. Okay. So if you look at a computer, in case you're in a computer, you'll find Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. Those are your web browsers through which you can open any website. Okay. So if you don't have a web browser, you cannot open a website. So to open a website, you need to have a web browser. That is a must. Okay. That is a must. Search engine. What is a search engine? Search means to find something. So the best search engine we use these days is Google. Okay. Any information you want, anything you want, you go to Google. If you want any information about the videos and all, you go to YouTube. So there are different web search engines. So what does a search engine do? You can get information about anything using a search engine on the internet. So anything. A search engine is a computer program that searches information on the World Wide Web. So we know about World Wide Web. World Wide Web are those various pages on the internet. So there are different pages. So all those pages make up the World Wide Web. Or the internet by looking for words or a set of words which you have typed there. The information you receive may appear in the form of web pages, images, data, or other type of files. Some examples of popular search engines are Google Chrome, Google, Yahoo, ASK.com, AltaVista.com. Okay, so normally we use Google.com. Okay. So test yourself. Name the following. Global network of computers. So what are the global networks of computers? It's called the internet. What is it called? Internet. Okay. So next, number 2, set of web pages. So what are the set of web pages? It's the www, World Wide Web. Set of web pages, World Wide Web. So main page of the website, main page or the opening page or the first page is the home page. Number 4, special software used for browsing the internet. So we need a special software to browse the internet. What is it called? It's called the web browser. The last one, collection of related web pages. Collection of related web pages is called the website. Okay, it's called the website. Okay, now what I'll do is, if you look at my desktop, I use Google Chrome. Okay, I use Google Chrome. So we'll open Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser. Okay, this is a web browser. Okay. So I have opened. This is the home page of Google. Okay, this is Google is a. What is Google? Is a search engine. Google is a search engine. So now what we'll do is, I'll click on our school website. So this is the first page. Okay, this is the first page. Whenever I click on saskalimpong.com, the first page which appears is called this is the home page. Okay, this is called the home page. So now, when you talk about website, we have all the informations available. The informations can be in the form of text. Okay, this is text. Okay, this is an image, photograph, image, video. Okay, so if I click this, the video starts playing. Okay, let's pause it. So a text, a website, information which is there in the website can be in the form of text, illustrations, photograph, animation, movies, etc., sounds, and so on. So if you want to listen to the school song, go to the school website, play the audio. Okay, play. You can listen to the school song. Okay, so this is the home page. Now, if I want to go to the next page, so these are links. These are all links. So there are various pages. There are plenty of pages on the website. Okay, so all these pages make up the World Wide Web, the web www. So these are links. If I click on this link, it will take me to the next page. Okay, can you see? So these are links. So every link has its own page. Okay, admission, contact us, academics. Okay, got it? Okay, try and open the school website. Okay, it's www. I'll just type it out here. www.saskalimpong.com. Okay, so when I do this, the school website opens.